Alright guys, I'm out here roaming around my local U-pull. As you can see, we got a lot of trucks and whatnot here. So what I'm hoping to find is 351 Windsor roller block. And I think that'd be a great addition to one of the Mustangs. So I'm gonna get looking around here and see what we can find. So the site of this U-pull is where the wreckers was that I spent the most time at when I was a kid, some 30 years ago. Old George, the owner, used to greet me by saying, "Here comes the Mustang man." It was right here where I bought my first 302 4-barrel intake manifold. It sure has changed. However, it still feels great to come back and spend the day here. Alright guys, so I've been roaming around this yard for a while and I finally did find one. One problem though. Why did it have to be a van? Oh, this thing is just buried in here. It's the only one I see. But it is a 94 351 roller. Alright guys, finally up in front of the engine. Still got a long ways to go though. Alright guys, now that I can get at it, before I go any further, I'm just going to rotate this around. See if it rotates smoothly, makes any noises. Feels pretty good. Alright, so I've been wondering what the mileage is on this engine. It's got an electronic speedometer, so I couldn't see. Thankfully, the person at the lube shop actually wrote the mileage on the filter. Have a look. So we've got 261,387 kilometers, August 7, 2019, so 4 years ago. Alright guys, it's been a bit of a struggle, but here we are. And just gonna pop this off now and verify that this thing is for sure a roller motor. Oh, it is. It is perfect. Alright guys, we're getting there. Alright guys, I signed in at 10. It's now 2:30. So let's see if we can't get this LS killer yanked out of here. Whew, that feels good. That feels really good, guys. It was quite the fight, but the old van eventually gave up. Next, I removed the harmonic balancer and flex plate, leaving behind anything I won't be using. It's cheaper this way. Yes, sir. Thank you, though. So Jackie bought me this folding engine crane over 20 years ago when we were dating. It was right there and then I knew she was the girl I was going to marry. All loaded up. This nice Fox body pulled in while I was in the yard. I really lucked out. None of the cylinders have any ridge and you can still see the crosshatch. The T-top coupe got a little sun today. Then it was time to push it back inside. So I have a really nice EFI Spider intake for a 302. I may have to try and make some adapter plates for it. So we've had a couple other new additions at the house. Jackie had an Altered Stangs hat made for me so I could represent. Got it on right here. And we also got ourselves another pup. Meet Cooper the Golden. So also in the last couple weeks we had our fridge die. This is the third fridge in 12 years. We are having no luck with fridges. I guess it's a good thing it was still cool here in the Great White North. We had to use the sunroom as a fridge. Well, that's about it here at Altered Stangs for now. Just wanted to say Happy Easter to everybody. Thanks for watching. And remember, leave no stang unaltered. Bye for now, guys.